Here we go, Fee. Here you go. This is Fee. She's our bi-colour British Shorthair Cat. And we think she's going to be, well, we hope that she's going to be expecting kittens. As we are small hobby breeders. So I'm giving the cats a little bit. The expectant mums are getting extra food because they need the energy. She's nice, isn't she? Nice bi-colour. We also breed solid blues as well, but it's nice to have some variety as well. I enjoy the litters that are just blues, but when you get some different patterns, bi-colours and things like that, you never know what to expect, so that's quite cool. A bit more of a surprise. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for stopping by to see Fee enjoying her snackette here, her food. Have a great day and I'll see you later.